What does a vitamin C cleanser do? A cleanser is vital to start any effective skincare regimen. It is your first step to healthier skin. So how about we start strong and on the right track as you get to know what vitamin C can do for you? Cleansers serve as the first chapter of your skin journey. Their task is to remove dirt, impurities, and excess oil we have accumulated from the day of being exposed to UV rays, pollution, and other environmental stressors. It lays the groundwork for healthy, glowing skin. So, no pressure, but choose one that will give you more beyond a clean face. Lucky for you, that is what vitamin C-infused cleansers do for the skin. More. Vitamin C cleanser is supercharged with a brightening, skin-balancing antioxidant that even the most sensitive skin will benefit from. What is vitamin C in skincare? Vitamin C has been a household name for its immunity-boosting properties for years. It is only recently that its benefits extended beyond oral intake. According to experts, this powerhouse vitamin is one to look out for, proving itself beneficial as a topical treatment. With that, brands have touted it as the antioxidant your skin desperately needs. And no wonder. Its impressive ability to rejuvenate the skin is something to behold, creating waves of products out in the market with vitamin C as its core and star. The benefits of vitamin C for skin health. When applied topically, vitamin C can aid in promoting collagen production, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. This powerful antioxidant also helps fight free radicals, giving the skin barrier additional protection against environmental damage, harmful UV rays, and pollution. This protection helps prevent premature skin aging, keeping you looking young, fresh, and radiant. Lastly, vitamin C is known to brighten the complexion by reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And if you can believe it, there's more. Here are other benefits of topical vitamin C you might love. Boosts skin natural healing process, repairing damaged skin easier. Reduces redness and inflammation in the skin. Revitalizes dull, tired-looking skin. Improves overall texture. May help soothe and calm the skin. And if you're still wondering, is vitamin C cleanser good for the skin? Imagine all of these benefits at the beginning by including a vitamin C cleanser for your skincare routine. Types of vitamin C used in skincare. One of the most popular forms of vitamin C used in skincare products is L-ascorbic acid, which is highly effective at bringing out the skin's natural glow. This form is a potent antioxidant known to neutralize free radicals, protecting the skin against environmental stressors. It also helps improve elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And you can thank its brightening properties for an even skin tone and fewer dark spots. The other form of vitamin C for skincare is sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is the gentler and more stable counterpart. It is as potent as the former, but with a softer touch. This form has all of the benefits of L-ascorbic acid with the addition of its anti-inflammatory properties that calm and soothe the skin, an ingredient best suited for reactive and sensitive skin. Though vitamin C is generally considered safe and effective for most skin types, it is important to choose the right cleanser that will jive with your specific needs. What makes a good vitamin C cleanser? Now that we know what vitamin C has in store for you, let's find the cleanser with the perfect combination that will suit your skin and concerns. As we said before, vitamin C is powerful, but only if incorporated right. Finding a balanced formula is the key to extracting the most out of the antioxidant. Key factors to consider. Before you pick the first vitamin C cleanser that catches your eye with its benefits and promises, it would be best to consider specific factors that will end up impacting your skin, whether for better or worse. It takes a bit of research, but if you want the best out of topical vitamin C, knowing these things will help you decide which product from what brand will best suit your needs. The concentration of vitamin C. Determining how concentrated the vitamin C in the cleanser is will let you know how effective its benefits will be. Look for ones with 5 to 10% concentration for safe and optimal results. Skin benefiting ingredients. Though vitamin C alone is already beneficial, pair it with other skin-boosting components and you will be golden. Check to see that it has ones that add hydration, protection, and other skin-soothing ingredients. Quality and reputation of the brand. Get rid of all your fears by digging in deep to choose a vitamin C cleanser from a trusted brand with a proven track record of producing high-quality skincare products. Recommended: Truffoire's Vitamin C Cleanser. Truffoire is known for its gourmet skincare, truffle obsession, and mastery of caring for your skin with gentle precision. The brand offers a luxurious lifestyle and an exclusive formula so good you'll keep coming back. They are results-oriented and focused on customer satisfaction, so it's no surprise they took vitamin C skincare to the next level. The Black Truffle Vitamin C Cleanser is an example of the two forms balanced in a potent and gentle formulation. This masterfully made gel cleanser by Truffoire brings the best out of vitamin C with a calming, skin-boosting, and purifying blend enjoyed by all skin types. The benefits of Black Truffle Vitamin C Cleanser. Because Truffoire wants everyone, no matter the skin type, to benefit from their products, the Black Truffle Vitamin C Cleanser is made to emphasize gentleness. The brand created a solution for irritated, dry, and sun-damaged skin in the form of a cleanser to give you promising results right out of the gate. And as someone with sensitive skin, it helps to have a product that will deeply cleanse but won't strip away the skin's natural oils, and will instead pump the skin with antioxidants, moisture-binding ingredients, and anti-inflammatory properties. The Black Truffle Vitamin C Cleanser also boasts ingredients such as skin-soothing chamomile and glycerin, reinvigorating black truffle, and anti-inflammatory and antibacterial marigold flower, creating a potent mix led by vitamin C. Here is what to look forward to when you cleanse with the Black Truffle Vitamin C Cleanser. Minimizes enlarged pores, brightens skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines, relieves irritation and calms reactive skin, gives you a plumper-looking appearance, a refreshing wash with a glowing after effect. These, along with the benefits of vitamin C, will produce results only Truffoire can create. Conclusion: what does a vitamin C cleanser do? What a successful vitamin C cleanser will do is give you more than just a cleansing product. Vitamin C cleansers are meant to up the game when it comes to cleansers by adding a brightening, protecting, and boosting factor. Vitamin C is a superstar ingredient that yields a renewed and vibrant complexion. With the right formulation and a match for your skin, it might be one of the best additions to your regimen. Frequently asked questions: can I use vitamin C cleanser every day? A well-formulated and gentle vitamin C cleanser that accounts for sensitive skin is safe to use on a daily basis. Is vitamin C good for oily skin? Yes, because vitamin C is a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. How often should I wash my face? Experts say twice a day, once in the morning and again during the evening, or at least once a day.